love the community. I love to be able to share with other people my struggles, my wins, my clients, my patients win, because that can also, it may help someone else, helping somebody else, some of their clients or patients. Also, the tools that were provided, it definitely makes my counseling easier. It does help me in terms of giving me structure, being more efficient as well. Definitely, I would go also with Jennifer saying, I mean, the straightforward of how everything is organized, but also as a dietitian, when, we study so much about food and science. And you've said this, Keri, that sometimes we can get a little bit too carried away with the information, with so much information, that within this program, you're able to kind of like pinpoint the things that are really important and how to really just narrow down the information from so much that we have to what's really important and pertinent to other people. So